Best friend, welcome to Blogmas. I'm here to give you motivation and or inspiration. So sit back and soak up all of this holiday magic. Let's make this season one for the books. So don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss a Mingle Jingle moment.
My way upstairs. So now I don't know what to tell y'all I'm doing because I have so much stuff that I'm trying to do. My whole day is consisting of me just moving and just working and pulling stuff loose. So now what I have to do is I am doing my wreath for outside. I'm trying to redo it over because I have a bunch of, since I did a lot of changing up this year, I have a lot of stuff that I did not use. So I'm redoing a lot of stuff, y'all. So, I don't know. Now I'm starting to decorate upstairs and do stuff for outside. I'm just doing a lot. But I know that I'm drinking some chai tea latte, medium cold. So I have this big wreath and I want to do it gold because I have some big old balls that I want to put on here. Like I have these red balls, I have these gold balls, I have these green things here. So I have this too that I want to add inside the wreath. So I got a lot that I'm trying to do, y'all. So I'm going to show it to y'all when I'm finished. Because I doubt if y'all want to see the mess in here. And then once I finish, so let me go back. So the reason why I am doing the wreath first is because a lot of the stuff inside of all these boxes and bins, not bins, but all of these bins, it's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So before I store all this stuff away, I just want to put all the miscellaneous stuff on the wreath, if you understand what I'm saying. So I want to work smart, girl. I don't want to work hard. I want to work smarter, not harder. So let me get that done and I'm going to come right back. Even though, y'all, I'm having a good time doing this, but I ain't gonna lie, this a lot of work. But my home, I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna tell you a word of a lie. It's magazine ready. And that's all I'm gonna give ya. On the floor doing this. Oh my God, I cannot get through with this Christmas decoration. I keep finding different ideas and stuff to do. So as I'm sitting down doing this, I started, so this is what I got so far, right? So I started digging through the thing and I found more garland. So I sprayed it up here. Y'all can see I got snow everywhere. So look what I end up doing with it, y'all. So I'm going to bring y'all all the way downstairs. Right? So look what I end up doing. Y'all done seen this already. So I end up doing this. Putting this here. And I sprayed that. Wait for it to dry. I wish I could get it a little whiter. But I don't know. I may spray it some more since I got it all flocked out. So now I'm sitting and I'm digging through. Oh, excuse me. Digging through stuff. And I'm like, oh my God. I seen some more stuff. So now I'm going back upstairs, right? So I'm digging through here and I'm picking out like berries and girl, just all kind of stuff so I can stick in there and build that thing. And I'm just like, girl, can you like stick to the script? Stick to one thing, Tangy. I can't. I ain't gonna lie. I am literally all over the place. And this is what happens when you buy, and look at this. This is what happens when you buy an abundance of things. You got so much stuff. And I ain't lying. I'm going to use. That's the same thing I did right here. I was just digging through the thing and I made that little thing. And I like that. I think that's cute. I don't know. All right, y'all. But I got more berries. And I don't even know why I didn't use. Here go more. I don't even know why I didn't even use all these berries. Let me dig in here and make sure it's nothing else. That's cute. I don't know. Now why this ain't on the tree? Girl, see what I'm saying, y'all? Look. That is too cute. What is this? That is too cute. That was the other plate I was looking for. Remember I told you I was missing a plate? Y'all might not remember. Y'all don't remember nothing. I'm going to use this too. There was a bell, another bell. I can definitely use that bell on something. Tape. Girl, when I go to wrapping all them presents, I'm going to be looking for tape. See? So make sure I don't have nothing else in here. Here are all the command hooks. All right. More ribbon. More command hooks. All right. In this side, I don't think there's nothing in here that I could use. Look like some ribbon that I ain't used. That shower curtain. Remember I did that DIY shower curtain? I could use this. I don't know why this ain't on the tree. So I'm going to go put that on the tree. Here's another one that could have been on the tree. So this, I'm going to use this. This is ribbon and stuff. And you know, when I get ready to, I can definitely probably use this. Like, cut this and use this somewhere. But I ain't. I'm going to use this one over. Maybe on that one over there. So, that's what happens when you just start, you keep collecting stuff, girl. It looks like, y'all. I went on ahead and put it on the door already. All right, bye. But I got one more thing I want to do. So let me show y'all what I, look, my reindeer ear fell off. My reindeer. Y'all, I had this reindeer for so long. Let me put you on the tripod. So, hold on. You could tell I'm vlogging because I would never make content so just all over the place like this. Girl, I've been trying to hang on to this reindeer ear for the longest. Maybe I ought to tie him on here instead of gluing, because this bad boy just keep on falling off. So how about this time? This, I made him a nose too, girl. How about the other one's still good. And I think when I bought this deer from Ross like some years ago. I think I paid like $24 for this deer. And I think when I bought it, this ear was broke. But I want to say that these people gave me like a discount or something. So I ain't bring it back. I don't know. I think they gave me a discount. So I was like, oh, I'll keep it since they discounted it. And I think I really wanted these. But I don't really even remember using these too many years or something like that. So I'm going to try this time. Instead of, I might glue it too. Because apparently it ain't working with just the glue, child. So how about we do both? We glue it and because this is a sturdy, a strong little piece right here. We glue this bad boy and we go it on and we tie it down. And then, y'all, I think I am going to end this video. I don't even think I am going to clean up here. I'll come back maybe tomorrow. And I'll clean up here. Because I'm tired. I've been working all day. She work hard for you, too. That ain't working. She works hard for you, too. She work hard for you too, so you better give her views. She work hard for you too. She work hard for you too. She work hard for you too, so you better give her views. Girl, see, playing around with y'all. I ain't even tired of, girl. Oh. She work hard for you too. So hard for you too. She work hard for you too. So you better give her views. She work hard for you too. She work hard for you too. She work hard for you too, so you better give her views. Girl, one of the ears going like that. That's how the ears is going. Y'all see me? I ain't lying. The ears is going. But that's all right and that's okay. We're going to keep it anyway. And that's the bow. And it's going in front of the door. I think it's going to last this time. All right, I think that is it, y'all. That is it. And that is all.